Hi, it's me again. Now let's look at the whole idea of accelerating. Now remember that accelerating, we can't actually get there and measure it, but we can measure other things and see what goes on. So if we want to calculate, we can. And as you can see here with the formula, acceleration is equal to the difference in speed divided by the time taken for that speed change to occur. Now, this equation will be given to you on the test, I'm sure. So let's look at an example. We've got a bike rider, and they change their speed they speed up, in other words, from 2 meters per second to 7 meters per second. Now, to do this change, it says it takes 5 minutes to do this. So what is their acceleration? This is a sample question. So let's look at it. If we put the answers in, we put the formula to start off with. You should always write the formula. Alright, acceleration equals change in speed over time. Then we fill in the numbers. Change in speed are 2 to 7. Or 7 minus 2, which is equal to 5. The time is 5 seconds. So that means we have 5 divided by 5, which is 1. And our units are meters per second per second. So that is how we do a simple calculation. I'm sure your teacher will give you practice.